Today, I'm going to show you how to precisely size a notch and install a rubber B-strap onto a Sky-Dweller clasp that came original on a leather bracelet. This technique also works for notching straps for any other watch that requires a square notch. To start, choose a high-quality pair of scissors or box cutter. It's best to make a practice cut on the furthest tip of the strap if you can. The goal here is to get a feel for the material and ensure you can execute a perfectly straight, clean cut later on. It's important to have a straight cut so the strap will have the typical non-friction closure with the buckle, as it should. Align your original strap sitting directly over the new rubber B-strap so you can use it as a template. Take a 3mm notching tool, align it flush with the template, and make a clean punch to match the exact depth required. Now it's time to do the final cut to fit and notch again. Make sure your fresh new cut is straight and clean. Then realign the original band on top of the rubber B-strap. Position your notching tool and firmly punch the material to the exact dimensions. With the strap perfectly trimmed and notched, it's time to install the clasp to the strap. Align the T-bar of the clasp with the end of the newly notched strap, ensuring the branded Rolex logo face is properly oriented face up. Direct one side of the T-bar into the notch hole and push it toward the side. Next, take the screw pin and guide it into the rubber strap from the other side, pushing it through the alignment hole using your fingers. Press the pin firmly until you see the tip of the pin emerge from the hole. It's important you do not try screwing in the pin prematurely until it is seated across the bridge properly, or else it could go in crooked, which is not good for your pin. The right way to do it is to hold the buckle and strap firmly between your fingers to maintain perfect alignment, while inserting the screw pin tip into the receiving tube of the T-bar, and use your screwdriver to gently turn it clockwise. Tighten it just until you feel light tension. Be careful not to over-tighten, because gold screws are soft and can break easily if over-tightened. Once the screw is perfectly flush, the first side of your buckle is fully secure. By the way, for this demonstration, we used the beautiful rubber B brand notching tool, but any 3mm tool works just fine. Now let's move on to the other side of the strap. For the 12 o'clock side, we want to leave the strap long enough to be hidden deep inside the clasp for future adjustments to go larger or smaller. Remember, you can always cut more, but you can never put it back. With the clasp securely mounted, the installation is complete. Now let's try it on. The strap is sized to fit comfortably, snug closing with a reassuring solid click. It's a clean, seamless integration that completely transforms the look and feel of this Rolex Sky-Dweller for limitless activities in our lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your rubber B-strap.